Hey everyone, Tim going to do a little bit of a different video. This is an unboxing video of the Power Rangers Automorphing Retro Morphin Kimberly Ranger Slayer figure. The Ranger Slayer was originally in a comic. She wasn't in the television series, and I believe it was a villain from the series, and I got this for a really good deal. And since I don't have any of the Retro Morphin figures, I figured I would actually pick up this figure and do a review on it. She has like black in the front here. I'm going to actually get her open and I'm going to show you guys, but I'm going to do a review on the box first. The box looks a little bit like the original version. She looks really cool. She has a power like bow here and her gun. She has a blade blaster. I think it might be the original blade blaster. It comes with the original Rangers. But let me get this open and we'll do a review on the actual unboxing of the actual figure here. Let me just get this out of its packaging. So we have it out of its box right here. And I'm going to get out the figure itself. So it's a little bit tough to get this out of here. Let me be careful. There we go. And then we have the weapons. The bow is out of here. And then we have also the blade blaster. Now, this Blade Blaster looks smaller than the original Power Ranger Blade Blasters. And then we have the bow. And then we have the figure itself. I'm going to actually flip this. This is similar to the Zeo flip heads, where you flip the head and there it goes. Doesn't look anything like Kimberly, though, and that's very frustrating. If you look here, that doesn't look like Kimberly. I'm sorry about that, but that's not Kimberly. That's somebody else. That has to be somebody else. It can't be Kimberly. And if that is Kimberly, then that's obviously made very incorrectly. And it's unfortunate. What else do I have to say about this figure? So it's got like nice articulation. And it has like good knee articulation. The only thing I don't like is I said, the head, because the head doesn't look accurate to the television series at all. I mean, maybe to the comics. Maybe that's what she looked like in the comics. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I know that this is, I mean, it's very frustrating to have to deal with a Kimberly that doesn't look like her. Let me just put everything in her hand. Her gun goes in her holster. This is going to be really tricky to get in here. I'm not even sure if I'm going to attempt this because it's going to be really hard to get in there. Anything else about the figure? Let's see. So we have the Morpher. I do like that the Morpher shows the emblem of the Power Ranger, and I like the fact they don't have the symbol here on the front, because the original Morphin figures have the symbol on the front, and it really took away from the style of the figure, and that was pretty frustrating. But this side too is kind of weird, because that side's painted, this side is not, so it's kind of strange to say the very least. This figure is a really strange figure. But yeah. I think it's going to conclude my review on the Ranger Slayer Pink Ranger unboxing for today. Overall, I would give this figure like maybe a 6 out of 10. The big gripe I have is this does not look like Kimberly at all. And I'm not sure if they're going to make a version that will look like Kimberly in the future. And also, it looks like it's a little bit maybe cheaper made than the original Automorphing figures that came out in the series. She does look a little bit accurate to her visor, though, which is pretty nice. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, and have a good day.